So in today's class, I'll be teaching you everything you need to know about copy trading on Bybit and the step-by-step guide and how to understand it as a beginner. All right. Now, copy trading is very interesting, and a lot of people are particularly interested in copy trading because copy trading simply means you are copying expert traders. So you don't even need to trade by yourself. When your expert is making profit, you can also be making profits. So when they are making losses, you'd also be making losses. So quick, I'm just going to go straight into where you can find the copy trading sign, which is on this area. You can see copy trading is on this place. So click on copy trading. It is very straight to the point and very easy to understand. All right. So I'm going to teach you all the things, all the important things you need to know about copy trading. So here on the copy trading area, it can be confusing if you're a new user, but don't worry, I'm going to help you. So there's some things you need to understand about copy trading. First of all, you can see they have top balance traders, top ROI, our top picks, new traders. I'm going to actually show you everything. You can see top picks, top new traders, boosted traders, highest follower profit, and lowest drawdown. So I'm going to start explaining everything from beginning. Now, if you know that you are a trader, which means you want to apply as an expert, you want other people to copy you, then this area is for you. Now, if you know you're just here for copy trading, you want to just follow expert traders, copy their trade, and of course make profits from it, then you can actually follow with what I want to share. So people actually make wrong choices when it comes to copy trading, because if you copy a trader that's making profit, you can also make profit. If you copy a trader that is making losses, you're going to make a lot of loss. So you have to be very careful about who you're copying in the market. Okay, so top balance trader simply means traders that has balanced risk with reward. You can see top Bybit helps you explain what top balance traders are. Top balance traders are traders that balance profit and risk. These guys know what they are doing. They are balanced. They are very balanced. So if you choose a top balance trader, it simply means that these guys have had so much experience in the market. Now, some people will come and choose top ROI. If you choose top ROI, it means you don't want balanced traders. You want to choose people who are making a lot of profit. Traders that earn the highest by ROI in the last 7 days. Now, the problem with choosing top ROI simply means that, oh, these guys made money in the last 7 days, but they are not balanced traders, so they can actually lose in the next 7 days. Okay, so you can see this green mark over here means these guys are doing well in the market, they are going up. You can see they are making profit. They made profit in the last 7 days, but the problem with these guys is that they are not consistent. They can make profit this week and next week they will make loss. You can see this, for example, you can see this chart down here. This guy was actually making profit. You can see the thing come down. Where it came down here means they made loss on this area. So these are people who are just making high profits, but they are not balanced. Next week can be worse than this week. Okay, so you have to understand what it means. So our top picks, which means Bybit top picks. So Bybit is going to just select traders for you according to what they have noticed and how you use the app. These are so according to what they've noticed about me, Bybit is recommending that I copy all these people under their top picks. Okay, so if you scroll down, there are many of them. So I'm trying to explain everything from beginning to the end. Top new talents, which means people who buy Bit suddenly found out that the traders are suddenly making money. Okay, these guys are new talent, they are hot talent, you want to copy them. Bybit recently found out that these guys are new expert traders. So Bybit calls them top new talents. You can actually copy them if you want. Okay, so you can see new traders with high profit and low drawdowns. But remember that these guys are not balanced traders, so you are not balanced traders. So you can be very careful if you are getting to copy trading, so you don't go and jump in because you see high profit. You jump in and the next day you are complaining that you have lost. Okay, so let's get straight to boosted traders. So let's see how Bybit defines boosted traders. So Bybit calls boosted traders follow boosted traders and earn extra 10% in bonuses on your investment up to 50 USDT. So these are just like ads for them. So highest follower profit, simply means the trader, the expert that have made the most money for their followers. People have made this. If you copy any of these guys under this list, it means they have made more money for their followers, you know, since they started trading. So you can see traders that have earned the highest yield profit in USDT for their followers. So if you want to find people with proven track record, that people who are copying them have been making consistent profits, then this highest follower profit is what you need to be looking out for. So you can see lowest drawdown and all of that is another definition of people who you can copy. So these are the categories of people who you can copy. You can see the last one is uh traders with over 10% ROI and a max drawdown less than 20% in the last 30 days. Okay, which means these guys can boast of more than 10% profit in the last 30 days. Okay, so among this list, you will now choose the group you love the most. Okay, so for me, I believe if you're new to Bybit copy trading, there are two lists that can be very nice for you. Number one, the balance traders, the top balance traders, and number two, you have to choose highest follower profit, which means people who traders who have made more money for their followers. So you can choose any of the two of them, but let's go for the top balance traders. So once you choose anyone, you have to now look at the list under them and select from any of them. Okay, so let's start on the first guy. But there are other things you have to actually make, you have to actually understand. Okay, you have to be very, very careful. Use every information you have on the Bybit space to your own advantage, because if you make money, when if you make a mistake, you are going to get into trouble, and you are going to lose monies if you don't select a very good expert for your trade. So this guy name is Rind. He's the first trader people under top balance traders. But the reason why I will not copy this guy is because only 4 people are copying him. 4 out of 100. I think it's not cool, because the guy has a lot of, you can see his ROI is big, which means this guy has made about 103% in the last 30 days. But 4 people are copying him, and I just think it's a red flag. So I don't even bother myself. I want to trade with people. I want a trader that a lot of people are copying them. Okay, so this guy has um 208 people copying him. So it simply means that this guy knows something that other people don't know. So when you see that 208 people out of 250 people are copying this person, so it is a good sign for me to actually check what this guy is doing. Okay, so I have to click on his trade. So apparently I'm going to go and read. Bybit is so kind to make to help me understand what this guy has been doing in the market. So you can see this guy has 209 followers. I think Bybit just counted me among one of them. Okay, he has been trading for the past 62 days. Stability index is 5.5, which means he's a good, he's very stable. Okay, so performance, you need to see their performance, if they have been making profit or if they have been making losses. So in the last 7 days, this performance is based on the last 7 days, but you can actually toggle it to 30 and 90. Sorry, I'm going to be a little bit faster because I want to actually take my time to explain it. Okay, so this means in the last 7 days, this guy has made 31% profit. Okay, and he has made 64 USDT profit and loss ratio, okay, for his followers, for himself. Then for his followers, he has done about 699 plus P&L, profit and loss ratio, which means this is a lot of profit for his followers. His win rate in the last 7 days is 99.7. So which means this guy, he hardly lost money in the last 7 days. So you can see he won 357 trade and lost zero. That is why many people are copying him. So you understand? So apart from the last 7 days, you need to actually say, this guy, is it just 7 days, or is it just the last 7 days, or he has been making profit for long? So to be sure of what you're doing, click on these 7 days and let's go and see the last 90 days. So in the last 90 days, apparently this guy is not just a 7-day person. No, he has been doing well in the last 90 days also. Okay, he has been doing well in the last 90 days also. You can see 90 days he has made 200. He's done a profit and loss of 293 USDT for himself. Okay, and P&L for his followers is 6,286. People are following him because he's making more money for his followers. 99% win rate, maximum drawdowns and all of that. This is just beautiful. His wins are around 1,899 wins and just one loss, guys. And this is just beautiful, and that is why people are copying this guy. Now, this is not a recommendation. I'm just sharing. I'm just helping you understand what Bybit copy trading is all about, so you don't want to lose your money. So take your time to understand this video, and please give this video a like, okay, because I'm helping you understand everything. So apart from just the overview, we just check the overview right now. You can see, go ahead and check 60 days. There's 60 days, there's 90 days, there's 7 days. But once you've checked, the most important number is 7 days and 30 days, so you can understand what this guy has done in the last 30 days, in the last 7 days. So you will know that, okay, this guy is doing well. Okay, so once you've confirmed, come to this place where you find trades. This trade simply means, oh, what are his active trades? So it means what he's trading currently. So currently he's trading pump, funds, USDT, and he's on futures. So this is what he's trading currently on cross margin. So he predict that he's longing this on futures, and he is currently losing money on this trade. Bybit is very, very sincere. They will share everything you need to understand. So this guy is trading. This is the current stuff his followers are copying right now, are trading right now, and he's losing money. But this doesn't mean that he will lose money forever. Oh. You can see the money he's losing here is just 0.75%. You grab. So this guy likely know what he is doing in the market. Like I said, this is not an advert for him or anything. It is just to teach you about Bybit copy trading, so that you can understand it when you are copying anybody in the market. Okay, so the next step is to click on copy. Okay, let's click on past trades to see what this guy has done in the past. Let's really see what he has done in the past. These are the trades that he have done in the past that have expired. So in the past, he has done this one. He just finished now, and he ended at 4% profit. If you scroll down, you can see more. All this thing showing green means he has done well in the past. So likely this one that he's even trading right now will even become profitable. Now you can hardly see any red loss over here, and it's just a good sign that, oh, this is why this guy has many people copying him. One smart thing I usually do if I don't want to copy them is that I'll just go and trade what they are trading by myself without copying them. Okay, but this is copy trading class. I'll teach that other class in the next, maybe another time. Just give this video a like so I can remember that. So followers, you can come here to see his followers, and let's look at the people who are under the followers. These are the followers that are copying this guy. These are their names and how much they have copied, the cumulative profits, how much profit they have made copying this guy. This particular person has done 2,723. This one has done 2,491, 1,000. So this is how to understand copy trading on Bybit. You scroll down and you see this is the ROI. And this is not a guarantee that if you copy, you are going to make more profit. It is just an information that you can use to select expert traders. Okay, because copy trading has its own rules, regulation, and fees involved. So down this area, you will now see where you find 58 slot left, which means over 208 persons have copied him, and you have just 58 slots left. So if you don't copy this guy, right, if 58 persons copy him right now, it will be full, and you cannot copy him again. Okay, at least for the time being. So I'm going to click on copy to copy this guy. Okay, so once I want to click on copying is different from, after you have done your research. I've helped you do your research right now, right? Good. Now it comes to copying after you have determined that you want to copy him. Now let me help you understand what it means. So on this area, you can see that followers are 209, AUM is 152,000, which is a very good one. Profit sharing ratio is 10%, which means any profit you make, you share 10% with this trader. Once you have agreed, you can see the minimum to copy this guy is 150 USDT, and I currently have 162, 167 USDT. And of course, you can set your own. You can just decide to copy. So I want to copy him. I'm going to come here and put 150. Okay, let me put 151. So guys, after everything has been done completely, it is now time for you to copy the trade. Okay, and of course you have to toggle this terms and conditions sign, and you can just leave this one toggled because you want to copy perpetual also and copy with trading bots, and then you click on copy now. All right, so don't forget the 10% sharing, profit sharing ratio and all of that. So you click on copy now, and just give it some few moments to actually copy the trade. So guys, I'm now copying him, and at any point if I choose to stop following him or stop copying him, all I have to do is to just come straight. This is where you can see that you're copying somebody, and what I have to do is to just come to this area, click on this sign that looks like an arrow, and it's going to bring me to this area. All I have to do is to come to this place where you find unfollow and stop copying, and I'm going to click on unfollow, exit at the cop. You can see there are different options you have here. um, Continue copying the trader until the position are closed, exit immediately at the current market price, terminate all bots immediately, and continue copying. So all I have to do is to just select exit immediately at the current market price, terminate all bots immediately, and click on confirm. And certainly once I've done that, you can see cancelled successfully, and I've stopped copying this trader. All right, although when you start copying a trader, it's going to take you about few minutes to actually start copying, and start seeing your live results, profits or losses. For now, see you in the next one, guys, and don't forget that you can like this video, share to your friends. Anything at all you don't understand, come down to the comment section to ask. I love it when people ask, because it makes me able to answer your questions and know what you're worried about. Also, people have been asking about one of the best arbitrage apps that we'll be making use of. You can go down in the comment section. You can see one of my best arbitrage softwares that I make use of. Although it's paid, but that is what works for me, and I believe it's also going to work for you. For now, see you on the next one tomorrow.